Wow, this pond looks really good. What the fuck? Alright, back again guys with another video. Getting the fucking Fiero on the road today. We're doing brakes, got all the boys here. We're doing brakes, rotors, and then front brakes. Probably new brakes in the front, doing back ones right now, so we actually have some fucking brakes on this thing. And I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, this has been a huge bitch. It's probably been 3 hours into it. We've been trying to get it for a while now. We're still on the first brake. It's been a huge cock. Trying to almost get this in. Putting the line to it right now, so hopefully we get this done. You can see we started in the night, daytime. Now it's dark out. It's been a fucking huge process. Alright, day 2, fucking brake number 2. Last night it just got too late. We're already getting this one in. Rick's working on that right now. We're getting the back brake in. We'll fucking slap all that shit in there and then bleed them all. And we'll be able to fucking drive today, hopefully.
Right there.
Hold it down?
Yep. Alright, let up.
I'm pumping. Here we go. Letting it drip down. Getting it done. Alright, this is day 3. And everyone left. It's just me here. And we still don't have the front brakes bled. Because, as you can see, brake line right there. It's busted, so we need a new brake line. And it pissed out all the brake fluids. So we couldn't do that. New brakes are right there. Gonna take the old ones off, but yeah, it sucks. So, alright, just took off the old front brakes. You can see these rotors aren't doing so good. Probably actually no, we will get new rotors for the front and brakes. These are so much easier than the backs. Didn't even look that bad, but those old ones compared to new, I did spray paint them, but yeah, those don't even look that bad. They actually were working, but I got those for free, so I'm just gonna put new ones on anyways. And yeah. Hey, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And always like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Peace.